This is the most unique power bank I have ever seen. It is the Zendure SuperMini Go, which is inspired by a camera design. The power bank has a 10,000 milliamp battery capacity. It does have 3 different colourways. I have the Galaxy Black colour variant here, but it does have a Sunset Cyan colour and a Space Silver colour. The power bank has the power button as what would be known as a shutter key on a camera. This is located at the top here. That is the button there. When this is pressed, it will awaken the LED display which is hidden under this chrome square, which will be known as a viewfinder on a camera. There we go, I pressed the button and as you can see, it's come up with the display. The LED display also does give the information on how much battery is remaining. So as you can see, I have 97% battery remaining on my power bank. If you wanted to charge less power devices, you will go into low power mode. And how to enable low power mode, you press the power button twice. It will pop up with a green indication, as you can see that's like a lightning bolt and says min. It would come up with that green signal to let you know you're in low power mode, so you can charge your earbuds, for example, or smartwatches. On the side of the power bank, it has 2 ports, one USB Type A and one USB-C. The USB Type A port holds up to 22.5 watts and it can charge any universal product. The USB-C port is a fast charging port which holds up to 20 watts. It has both output and input, so you could charge the power bank using this port here, or you could use it to charge another device such as your earbuds or a mobile phone. I charged my iPhone multiple times before I needed to recharge the whole battery in the power bank. So I just thought I'd give you a quick demonstration or just an insight on how these ports work. So first of all, what we'll do is flick the switch on there, the power button. Now I'm going to grab my USB to Lightning cable here, and I'll plug this into my mobile phone. And as you can see, it is charging. Now if I grab my Type C to Type C cable, plug that in there, and I have brought some wireless earbuds or the charging case here, plug that on charge, and that is also charging as well. So the power bank does have a front ring here, which is a rubber ring. This is functional as a magnetic wireless charging pad, which goes up to 15 watts. So now if I place my mobile phone on top here, as you can see, instantly started to charge up the phone. The power bank has a nice compact size. It easily fits in the pocket. It also charges 3 devices at the same time, making it a great companion for traveling. I am now going to show you 3 devices on charge at the same time. So I'm going to get my earbud case here, plug that on charge, and that does show a yellow light there, as you can see. Then I shall get the Type C charger and plug that onto my iPad here. You can see that is charging. Then I will get my mobile phone and place that on the wireless charging pad. The SuperMini Go can charge an iPhone 13 to 50% in under 30 minutes. In my testing, I let the battery fully drain, then I charged it with an 18-watt charger, which took just under 4 hours. Now, if you have a faster watt charger, it will charge the power bank much quicker. I charged my iPhone multiple times before I needed to recharge the battery in the power bank. It will also charge an iPhone 13 Pro Max 1.5 times. The power bank does come with this rubber lanyard strap, which you would attach either in this hole here or through these 2 here. I will be connecting it through here just to show you. So if I just tie it round here, And there you go. As you can see, it is now on there. I really do like this power bank, especially its design and size. I will leave a link in the description if you want to pick this up. If you find the video useful, then please leave a like and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next video.